full power. Instruments on the green, airspeed's alive. Rotate about 55, 60. There it is. Grab into the wind. I'm out at about 74. And we're off.
There's Mama's fish out to the right. And we'll keep up beach with the turtles on the right up above. In front of us. Sorry, you have a bad view.
No, you're good. I got a good view still. I like seeing all the green.
It's a cool kind of, I guess I'm looking at a river coming out of it.
Yeah. So green.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we're flying right into the wind. We're going 74 over the ground, and we're going like 105 through the air.
I don't see anybody surfing.
Yeah.
There's a house on that cliff right there.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
That guy's got a big backyard.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's like a circle all by himself.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so beautiful out.
Yeah. Like all these beaches with not a soul.
I know. Crazy. Yeah, I got no whales on my side. They're probably on the other side of the island.
Yeah.
So beautiful out right now. This is incredible. I'm never going to forget these flights.
Yeah, those cliffs are just,
wow.
Like, this whole coastline is just...
Yeah. The water's eating away at it, I guess?
I don't know.
Because it looks good down there, like out further, like it's kind of a smoother type transition.
Man, all those homes right on the head. So awesome. Takes forever to get to town though.
I know. Driving on dirt roads that are wet all the time.
Yeah. Like sea caves in there.
Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, there's waterfalls coming up here going into the ocean.
There we go.
Alright. There's another like totally private beach inside the little cove area right there.
Yeah, just can't get to it.
Yeah.
Like almost a sea cave there too.
Yeah.
More waterfalls.
Nice. Full edge
Lots
has
of them,
them.
yeah. Another one right there.
Wow.
Another beach, uninhabited.
That's crazy. I mean, look at these, like, people live out there.
Yeah, down here.
Yeah.
Like they're growing their own food so they don't have to go to the store.
Yeah. Wow. That's pretty epic.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a waterfall back there. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah. Zoom in on that one.
Alright, below 85. Flaps 20, we'll keep it about 80. There's the runway right there. Got plenty of trees to dodge on shore.